So guys, if your map is not working on your Android phone, not updating the location or showing errors while driving, like you do not have access to Google Maps or the page cannot load Google Maps correctly, there is one solution you can try on your phone. This usually happens when your phone's security or network settings are very strict. That is actually a good thing for security, but sometimes it can conflict with the settings required for Google Maps to work properly. In this tutorial, I'm showing the step on a Samsung Android phone. So just go to your phone settings, type connections and tap on it. Now go to more connection settings, then tap on private DNS and disable this option. After that, reload the map page. It should start working. But if it still doesn't work, turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds. Then turn it off again and reload the map page. It refreshes your phone network's connection and clears temporary network issues. This is a quick fix and it should work like a charm. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.